Wonderful opportunity to own a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with a flex space in Tyler. This home with approximately 1,600 square feet has an open floor plan, wood-burning fireplace in the den, and a heated and cooled garage. The master bedroom with ensuite bath and 2 guest rooms that share a full hall bath offer ample space for your family. The flex space can be a home office, second living area, playroom, exercise room, etc. The laundry room and good storage throughout complete the interior space. Outside is a fully fenced, nice-sized backyard easily accessible from the home. New carpet throughout. Some new paint and new flooring in the laundry room. Come see. Come by.